Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all surviving this cold weather. I know I find it brisk. Anyway, this is John with the National Weather Service here in Norman with a briefing regarding winter weather tonight through Thursday. Well, it's been a very cold past 24 hours across the region. Highs today have or will top out in the mid-teens for most locations, and with 20 to 25 mile-per-hour north winds, wind chills across northern Oklahoma have continued to reside in the -10 to -5 range, hence the wind chill advisory for those locations in northern Oklahoma. Well, I'll be honest, we're starting to run out of adjectives to describe how cold it is outside, and yes, it's not lost on us how the folks in Alaska might find this balmy for this time of year. At 6 p.m., the current wind chill advisory will expand to all of central and western Oklahoma and western North Texas. Lows will dip into the single digits to near zero in the north, with wind chills in the -17 to 5 range. It is essential that you be a good neighbor and check on the elderly and sick in your neighborhood, and make sure they are staying warm. Use good judgment when heating your home tonight. Remember that ovens and ranges are not heating sources and that propane stoves are for outside use only. If you go out tonight, dress in layers and limit your exposure. In addition to the very cold weather, snow chances will slowly increase later this evening and overnight. Through 2 p.m., there was already light snow developing over the Texas Panhandle. We expect this activity to slowly spread eastward through the evening into western Oklahoma and as far east as central Oklahoma by midnight. After midnight through the early morning hours of Thursday, snow will increase with the heaviest snow across far western Oklahoma, as highlighted in navy blue. Overall, light snow will also spread eastward near daybreak, with flurries and light snow as far east as Enid in the north and Durant in the south. We expect the heaviest snow to fall during this time frame through sunrise. Through sunrise, moderate to light snow will slowly shift east and south along the Red River Valley toward the southern half of the I-35 corridor. This region of snow will begin to shift east-southeast through mid to late morning, with the best snow chances across southern Oklahoma and western North Texas. By the afternoon, any remaining snow will reside across southern Oklahoma and northern Texas, with light snow and flurries tapering off through the evening hours. So, how much snowfall can you currently expect? Well, at the moment, we expect the heaviest snow to fall across far western and southwestern Oklahoma. Locations shaded in navy can see anywhere from 2 to 3 inches on the average. For the OKC Metro and locations across western North Texas and central Oklahoma, those locations will see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. For northern and far southeastern Oklahoma, most will see upwards of an inch of snow. Well, we'll wrap up with some takeaways. Snow will enter far western Oklahoma later this evening and increase in coverage through the early morning hours of Thursday. Snow will be heaviest near sunrise, with the greatest snowfall across portions of western Oklahoma. Snow will taper off through Thursday afternoon as it exits to the east, southeast across the southern portions of Oklahoma. Here are some actions you can take. Morning commuters will face slick and hazardous conditions, including bitterly cold temperatures. Leave early and slow down. This evening, if you are headed out, dress in layers, limit exposure, and check on the elderly and sick to make sure they are staying warm. If you are traveling tonight and tomorrow, please call these numbers for the latest travel information for the state listed. That concludes the winter weather briefing for this afternoon. Thanks for your time, and as always, we encourage you to monitor our homepage at weather.gov/Norman and like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, and have a wonderful Wednesday.